Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Discord for trading in Blox fruits. First, ensure you have a Discord account and the Blox fruits game installed. Next, you will need to find reliable Blox fruits trading servers. These communities are essential for connecting with other players. Always prioritize servers with active moderation and a large, engaged user base to ensure a safe trading environment. Knowing fruit values is key. To find suitable trading servers, use a simple search on Google or Discord's built-in server discovery feature. Focus on servers that boast a substantial member count, often in the tens of thousands, as these are generally more established and trustworthy. Once you join, immediately review the server's specific trading rules. This step is crucial for understanding how to post trades and what items are permissible, preventing any misunderstandings. When making a trade offer, be very clear about what you are offering and what you hope to receive. Specificity helps attract the right trading partners. Always use the dedicated trading channels within the Discord server. This keeps the server organized and makes your posts easier to find. Before you complete any trade in Blox fruits, double-check all the details with your trading partner to avoid any errors or disputes. Communication is vital for successful trades. Protect your account by never sharing personal details or passwords with anyone, regardless of their claims. Scammers often target players with enticing offers that appear too good to be true. Always approach such deals with extreme caution. If an offer feels suspicious, it's best to decline it. Also, for more great deals and a book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below. Stay safe and happy trading.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.